In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make tile effect on image in Figma. If you've ever needed a repeating background, a pattern made from a logo, or a seamless texture without manually duplicating layers, the tile effect is the fastest, cleanest way to do it. Start by opening Figma, either in your browser or the desktop app, and load the file where you want this pattern to live. Make sure you're in the Design tab on the right side so you can see the properties for whatever you select on the canvas. You can work on any shape or layer, but it's easiest to begin with a simple rectangle or an existing frame so you have clear boundaries for the pattern to repeat inside. Add your image to the canvas. You can drag and drop a file in, paste from your clipboard, or place it directly into a selected shape so it becomes a fill. If you drop the image as a standalone layer, select it and check the fill section in the right sidebar. You should see that the fill type is set to image. If the image is behaving like a photo layer rather than a fill, you can place it inside a shape to take advantage of tiling within those bounds. With the layer selected, open the Styles and Variables button in the right panel. This reveals the detailed controls for how your image fill behaves. It's the area where you adjust material properties, including how the image scales and repeats within the layer. Now choose the tile option for the image fill. The moment you select tile, Figma repeats the image horizontally and vertically across the layer's bounds, creating a seamless pattern. If the tiles look too large or too small, adjust the scale value in the same panel. Increasing the percentage makes each tile larger. Decreasing it shows more repeats. You can also tweak the alignment so the pattern anchors from the center or a corner, depending on the look you want. If you need the pattern to angle across your design, rotate the layer or adjust rotation in the fill settings for a dynamic effect. And if you see gaps at the edges, slightly nudge the scaling or alignment until the repeats feel balanced. That's it. You've applied a tile effect without duplicating a single layer, which keeps your file lighter and makes global tweaks effortless. Swap the image in the fill to instantly try different patterns, or resize the shape to change how much of the repeating design is visible. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating fast, flexible patterns with the tile effect in Figma.